Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PayPal's we're having trouble making sure it's you message. First, let's ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can often cause these types of errors. Next, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies or switch to a different browser entirely. Sometimes, a simple refresh of your digital environment is all that's needed to resolve the issue and get you back on track. If the initial steps don't work, it's time to review your account details. Make sure all your personal information, like your name and address, is completely accurate and up to date. Also, verify that any linked bank accounts or cards are current and correctly associated with your PayPal profile. A quick password change can also enhance security and sometimes resolve access issues. PayPal often requires security checks to protect your account. Be sure to complete any pending verification steps, such as confirming your phone number or email address. If prompted, use a one-time passcode sent to your device. In some cases, you might need to confirm your identity by providing specific documents. These measures help ensure only you can access your account. If you've tried everything and still face issues, it's best to reach out to PayPal's support team directly. Visit their help center for common solutions or use the message center within your account for personalized assistance. For urgent matters, calling customer service is often the quickest route. Be ready to provide all relevant details to help them resolve your problem efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.